Computer Science, Chapter 1, Functions. Part 3. Answer the following question. 3 mark. Mention the characteristics of interface. The class template specifies the interfaces to enable an object to be created and operated properly. An object attributes and behavior is controlled by sending functions to the object. When string len is called pure function. String len is a pure function because the function takes one variable as a parameter and accesses it to find its length. This function reads external memory but does not change it, and the value returned derived from the external memory access. What is the side effects of impure function? Give example. Impure function has the following side effects. Functions impure is that does not take any arguments and it does not return any value. Function depends on variable or function outside of its definition block. It's never assure you that the function will behave the same every time it's called. Example, let y equal to 0 int inc int x. Y equal to y plus x, return y. Here the results of int will change every time if the value of y gets changed inside the function defined. Hence the side effects of int function is changing the data of the external variable y. Fourth question, different pure and impure function. Pure function and impure function. Pure function will give exact result when the same argument are passed. Impure function never assure you that the function will behave the same every time it's called. Pure function does not causes any side effects to its output. Impure function causes side effects to its output. The return value of pure function sold depending on its argument passed. The return value of impure function does not slowly depending on its argument passed. They do not modify the arguments which are passed to them. They may modify the arguments which are passed. Example, string length square. Impure function, example, random and date. Fifth question, what happens if you are modifying a variable outside the function? Give an example. Modify the variable outside the function causes side effect. Example, let y equal to 0 int inc int x, y equal to y plus x, return. Here the result is inc will change every time if the value of y get changed inside the function definition. Hence the side effects of int function is changing the data of the external variable y. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.